Okay, so I'm here with Martha, who just closed on her property with us, and just have a few questions for you today, Martha.
All right.
First of all, what made you decide to sell your home as is?
We talked for a long time and we decided that we'd rather move and let someone else do all the renovations. I live in a house that's been in our family for 54 years, and I have a lot of out-of-date kitchens and bathrooms and so forth, and that was just a big undertaking for us.
I see. Makes it really easy for you,
Yes.
easier on the move. So, what made you decide to go with Texas Ideal Properties?
I actually had several bids, and yes, they had a very fair offer, but I really liked working with Scott and Chris, and they have assured me that they're going to take good care of my grandmother and grandfather's house, that they're going to keep some of the good qualities, my wooden floors and so forth, and they're just going to update it, and they're going to take good care of my neighbors when they go to sell it.
Awesome. And finally, how satisfied have you been with the whole process?
This is a wonderful group of people to work with. They're very professional. The office staff, Jackie and Amy, are wonderful. And again, the contractors came in and I got a chance to kind of overhear their plans, so that was kind of a bonus. And they're just
Great.
really nice people coming into, I know it's not my house, but it's still my house in my heart, and I know they're going to take good care of it.
Great, great. That is awesome. And so now, finally, you don't mind that we use this for marketing purposes on social media, anything like that?
That'll be fine.
Awesome. Great. Thank you so much, Martha.